Question 14, we've got two quadratics and we've been asked to simplify them into this form here. A, B and C are all integers. Okay, we will need to factorise both of these and I guarantee you one of the terms will cancel. Okay, let's hope these are pretty straightforward factorisations. This one is straightforward. I think immediately you can see that to get 6 we can multiply 2 and 3 and the difference will be 1. All we've got to do is sort out the signs. So our two brackets are here. This will be x, this will be x, this will be 3, and this will be 2. We need these two underneath terms to generate a negative answer, so I think you can see that this will have to be negative and that positive. And that's going to be divided by, again, 2 more brackets. To generate the 3, it's going to have to be 3 and 1. Now we've got a 2 to worry about. If we put the 2 here, we're not going to get a difference of 5 because we'd have to add them both up. They'd have to both be negative. But if I put the 2 here, we will get that negative 5 because if this was minus and this was plus, this would generate just x. This would generate negative 6x. So the difference would be negative 5x. And as predicted, 2 of those factors cancel. So we're left with x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 1. And that's your answer. If you wanted a list, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 2, and D is equal to 1. But there is a perfectly good answer.